Hello, I am Georgie. Today we'll be learning how to do advanced programming in the MODKIT. So to start off our lesson, we are going to begin with our brain here, which controls all the other sensors and important parts of the robot. What we're going to be working with is a drivetrain, a gyro, and a touch LED. And now what I want to do with these sensors and everything, our whole robot, is I want it to spin around in a circle. And while it's spinning around in a circle, every time it reaches 180 degrees, it will turn on its light and play a sound. So now that we have all our parts here, we are going to start by programming the gyro. So we head over to blocks. This is where we program. So when the program starts, I want it to always scan. So forever scan if the gyro angle in degrees equals 180. Now the next part of our program, we are going to need a touch LED. Since I can't program the touch LED here because this is where I program the gyro, I'm gonna come down here and I'm going to broadcast. I'm gonna name this event 1. So now we move over to our touch LED and we are going to take out when, and we're gonna have it when event 1, so when it receives event 1. We want it to not forever, we want it to turn on the light and play a sound. So let me try to find that right now. Okay, here. So we turn on our light and now we look for sound. Okay, here it is. Now we play a sound and we are going to wait, let's say, wait for 2 seconds. So it's gonna have a light on for 2 seconds and play the sound for 2 seconds. And then it is going to turn the light off. So now when we start, the robot will always be checking for when its degrees is 180, and when it does that, it will broadcast the first event. That first event will trigger the touch LED turning on the light, playing the alarm for 2 seconds, and then turning off the light. Now we're going to head over to our drivetrain, and when we start our program, we want it to always be turning. So we're gonna have it drive forward and turn left. Oh, but we have to have it do that forever because we want forever spin around. Okay, so now for the last part, um, our code is basically done. So now it will, as I just explained, it will spin around constantly. It will look for when the robot is at 180 degrees, play the sound, and turn on the light for 2 seconds. Now I want it to always be displaying the degrees of the robot. So now, when start, forever, then we go up here and we look for gyro in degrees. Yes, but we wanted to print the gyro in degrees. So we put down print and we drag in gyro angle in degrees, and now our code is done. Thank you for listening. Uh, I am Georgie, and thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Yes.